Get strong.
Tired of small talk and minor drama? You need apparel that matches your warrior status. Check out our new Survive Too Many Storms t-shirt. This bold, high-contrast design is the ultimate statement of resilience and inner strength. We've got you covered. This incredible t-shirt comes in multiple colors and a full range of sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone ready to show their strength. Made with premium, soft fabric and a durable print, this shirt is comfortable for daily wear and tough enough to last. Don't wait to grab this empowering piece. Order your Survive Too Many Storms t-shirt today at www.stylejunction.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong.